What's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skatepark. And today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a mixture of intermediate and advanced grabs with special guest, past student, and best friend, Jacob Calhoun. Check it out. In this video, I'll be teaching you frontside grab tailbone, dog pier grab, tuck knee grab, stiffy grab, crail grab, Madonna grab, judo grab, stalefish grab, method grab, and varial grab. The skill level for these grabs are intermediate and advanced, and the risk level for these grabs is medium to high. For this lesson, it helps if you can skate a bowl, ollie in transition, early grab, complete some basic grabs from my 10 important grabs video, and knee slide. If you don't know how to do any of these, please refer back to my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the things you guys should do. After watching this video to understand the fundamentals of these grabs, lay on your back and practice your grabs and grab tweaks with a grip skate deck or a complete skateboard. Notice how you roll and spin your feet on your board to move it in and out of your grabs. Wear quality knee pads and a helmet for protection while learning, and wear quality knee gaskets if you want extra padding. As you launch into your grab, let your board come up into your hands by pulling your knees up into your body. Practice these grabs enough to build your own creative combinations and style. Please remember, there are no rules to where and how you do your grabs. Get creative and do what feels best for you. Here are the simple steps to a frontside grab tailbone. Here's the foot setup position while doing your grab in the air. Make sure you're on the balls of your feet when you do your grab so you can pivot on your toes in and out of your tailbone. For tailbones, use your back hand and grab frontside closer to the toes of your front foot. Hold your grab and twist your upper body so your chest is forward, and pull your grab across and under your front foot as you straighten out your back leg. To style your grab in the air, you can straighten your back leg out as much as possible and pull your grab in closer under your body. My pro tip for this trick: remember to grab closer to your front wheel so you have additional leverage for your tailbone. This grab is similar to a crail grab, except for a crail, you grab toe side on the nose. I find that this grab works best front side, but it can be done backside as well. Here's how to do a dog pier. I renamed this grab in respect to younger skaters. Here's the foot setup position while doing your dog pier in the air. From nose grab position, pull the nose of your board to your front foot as you straighten out your back leg. To style your grab in the air, you can pull the board harder on the tip of the nose so your board pivots off the ollie spot on your front foot to create a larger distance between both feet. A pro tip for this trick: start small and work your way up, and it helps to lean back a little bit more as you spread your back foot off your board. This grab works best as a straight launch out or landing to fakie. Here are the simple steps for your tuck knee grab. Here's the foot setup position while doing your tuck knee in the air. Pull the board tight to your feet and pull backwards hard with your grab hand. Keep your grab tight so your board stays to your feet so you can roll your legs back into a frontside grab landing position. To style your grab in the air, you can roll your ankles and feet sideways on the board while pulling your grab. Pro tip for this trick: initiate your tuck knee grab pull at the highest point of your air so you have time to roll back into your landing position and land into your pump out. I find that this grab works best frontside, but it can be done both ways. Here are the simple steps to your frontside stiffy. Here's the foot setup position while doing your frontside stiffy in the air. As you launch up and lean back into your grab, pull your board tight to your feet and push your legs out into a straight position. Counterbalance yourself by extending out your free arm opposite from your legs. To style your grab in the air, pull your grab tight to your toes for maximum leg extension, and this can allow the board to roll on the tip of your toes for extra style. My pro tip for frontside stiffies is that they work best for frontside grabs straight up and down or frontside spins. I find that this grab is best done frontside. Here are the simple steps for doing a crail grab. Here's the foot setup position while doing your crail in the air. For crail, launch up as if to do a frontside grab and pull your front knee into your chest. And as you spin your chest forward, reach your backhand across your legs and grab the toe side of your nose to pull tight to your feet. As you pull tight to your feet, extend your back leg out. To style your crail in the air, exaggerate your grab by twisting your shoulders extra hard and really straighten out your back leg as you pull your grab tight to your feet. My pro tip for crail grabs, I find frontside is much easier to learn than backside, and crails can be combined into grinds and slides as they become more comfortable. I find this grab works best frontside, but can be done both ways. Here are the simple steps for doing a Madonna. Here's the foot setup position while doing a Madonna in the air. For a Madonna, start with a nose grab and pull your front foot down and back to unlock it from the grip tape, and extend your front leg down and under your board as you pull your back leg knee up towards your chest. To style your grab in the air, really extend your front leg down as low as you can and pull your back leg up as high as you can. I find that this grab works best frontside, but can be done both ways. Here are the simple steps for doing a judo air. Here's the foot setup position while doing your judo in the air. For a judo air, start with a nose grab and kick your front foot forward off of the grip tape. To style your grab in the air, extend your back leg behind your body for a greater distance between your front foot and your back foot. My pro tip for judos is to learn them on a fly out first and work your way up into a launch out into a bank ramp and then try them in transition. I find that this grab works best backside, but can be done frontside as well. Here are the simple steps to doing a Stalefish grab in the air. Here is the foot setup position while doing a Stalefish in the air. For a Stalefish, pull your knees up into your chest as you lean back and reach around your back leg with your back hand to grab the middle of your board. To style your grab in the air, you can pull your grab backwards as you roll your knees forward. My pro tip for Stalefish is to really lean back into the transition so your board comes up level with your body and into your grab. I find this grab works best frontside, but can be done both ways. Here are the simple steps to doing a method grab. Here's the foot setup position while doing your method in the air. For a method, pull your knees up into your chest and use your front hand to grab behind your front heel. Once you grab, kick your heels back and push your board into your hand. To style your grab in the air, you can arch your back to exaggerate your grab or tweak your board by pulling your front knee up and extending your back leg out. I find that method grabs work best backside. Here are the simple steps to doing a backside varial. Here's the foot setup position while doing your varial in the air. For a varial, use the toes of your back foot to pull and scoop your foot straight back and kick the board out from under your feet, off of the coping and into your front hand. Your scoop will cause the board to do a 180, so grab it from the outside with your front hand and quickly pull it tight to your feet and let go into your landing. To style your grab in the air, you can add spins into it or kick your board higher up for a bigger extension. My pro tip for varials is to learn them on a steeper transition with coping that sticks out a little bit so your board stays within grab reach when you bonk it off the coping. Here's how to bail. For all flyout grabs, make sure to launch up and keep your momentum going forward so you can use your feet to kick your board back and away from you and into a run out or a knee slide. To bail while holding your grab, use your grab hand to pull your board out from under your feet and throw your board away from your body. Once you throw your board out, land into a run out or into a knee slide. Some grabs require a combination of a grab and kick out together to land clear of your board. For hips and transitions, try your hardest to lock into your grab so you have extra control of your board if you need to bail. This will also help prevent you from landing back on your board as you bail. Some bails work best to continue holding your board as you land and go into your knee slide, but you can let go of your board the second you get into your knee slide. For big launches and gaps, commit to the speed required to clear the gap, even if the board doesn't stay with your body at first. Typically, you can run it out, land into a tumble, or slide to your back. My main pro tip for all grabs, make sure you pop or launch high enough so you have time to get into a solid grab, which creates more board control and give you time for extra style. Or to bail. If you bail with knee pads, try to land feet first at the highest part of the ramp, just under the coping, to help you land as soft as possible on your knees. Here are some related trick ideas to inspire you for more combinations. For beginner, try your grabs as an early grab, on a quarter pipe or off a launch ramp, or from a fly out. For intermediate, try your grabs with an ollie out of a roll-in, without an ollie off of a quarter pipe or off of a launch ramp. For advanced, try your grabs over launches, hips, or in transitions. The skate term for this lesson is tweak. This is when you pump or exaggerate your grab while in the air for additional balance and personalized style. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational videos for you. So please help support us by sending a donation to help us make new videos for you. Donation details and other important information, including my board setup, in the description box below. Leave me your comments, including any questions you may have, ideas or lessons for future videos, and your thoughts or feedback about this video, so I can continue to do my best to help you reach your goals. I hope you guys learned something new from this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Please click the like and subscribe button to encourage us to make a new video for you every week. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons. Ready, set, go. What's up, guys? I said go and then what's up, guys, too fast. Trust me. Ready? Yeah! All right. We gotta be serious here. This is serious. Ron, this is serious work here.